Hey lovely people, you're welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a secret ingredient that you can use in making your pancake. This ingredient will make your pancake soft, fluffy, and easily melt in your mouth. Keep watching this video. And before we continue, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscription on YouTube is free. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and give this video a huge like. Become my family here and you don't get to miss any of my amazing videos. So first thing I did was to break some eggs, and into the eggs I added in some milk. This was actually what I remained from a chin chin recipe that I produced, and I will be posting this chin chin recipe next. So keep tuned to the channel so that you don't get to miss this. So to the milk and the egg, I added the secret ingredient, which is my whipping cream. Yes, you heard me right. Keep watching the video until the end and don't forget to like the video. So next to the mixture, I added some melted butter. I also have previously added some vanilla flavor. I will drop in the description box all the ingredients in the right measurements that I used them. So I mixed everything to combine so well, beautifully well. So after combining them, I went in with some sifted flour. I always sift my flour whenever I'm working with flour. And I mixed everything together until I got a smooth batter.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Gotta.
So once the batter was ready, I placed my frying pan on a low to medium heat and allowed it to gently heat up before scooping in the batter little by little. Now when you're making your pancakes, you need patience. Don't rush. Allow it to cook properly on both sides first. On one side first before turning to the other side. So once you start seeing these little bubbles and dots forming on top like this, that's how you know it's ready for you to flip to the other side. Guys, I present to you our pancake. Luxury pancake. So I continue the same process until I finish cooking all the pancake batter. And you guys, they are all so delicious. Soft. They are soft, fluffy, rich, and super delicious. So if you enjoyed this video or you learned something new, because I just taught you that you can actually use whipping cream in your pancake batter. I just taught you can use whipping cream when next you are making your pancakes. So please give me a huge thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join my family. Turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.